The Fixery is a brand new Richmond Council initiative to get residents involved and to reduce waste, to fix more and to move towards a circular economy.
We've got to be more sustainable and just not buy new all the time.
And we're here supporting the Fixery by having a group of repairers, and we have a huge range of products that we're doing.
Great idea for the community, for people to come and enjoy and to see like beautiful old buildings like this.